I am Ivan Mushana, the Executive Director of Tree Uganda Academy. Tree Uganda Academy is an eco-inclusive social action, research and advocacy youth-led conservation and agriculture organization. We started this enterprise in 2015, having realized the importance of engaging local communities in conservation and livelihood activities to mitigate the climate change effects and at the same time contribute for the community welfare. Currently, we have 2,227 members who are directly engaged in Tree Academy groups and Tree Academy clubs. Tree Academy groups are established in local communities under the Village Savings and Loan Association model. We train members on the Village Savings and Loan Scheme so that they can start their own savings at the local level to enhance their access to finances, solve their short-term financial needs. We also link these groups to local financial institutions so that they can access soft loans to enhance their savings and invest in conservation and livelihood projects. The Tree Academy clubs in schools will train these young girls and boys on conservation challenges and create awareness and empower them with skills and knowledge to participate in conservation practices, for example, tree planting. With these Tree Academy clubs, we have planted trees in schools and in the communities as our contribution to nature conservation. We also introduce access to other alternative sources of income. For example, we have introduced commercial farming of chili. Chili is a repellent crop, and it also plays an important role, especially when it comes to mitigating human-elephant conflict. So around 500 members are engaged in commercial farming of chili along Queen Elizabeth National Park as their alternative source of income, and to realize that humans can live in harmony with nature and contribute for the nature welfare, especially through conservation practices. Because these local communities are the majority owners of land, we cannot eliminate them in the conservation projects because the conservation activities take place on land. And if anything, it is these local communities that can be the champions of conservation or the enemies of the environment. So by empowering them with conservation knowledge and skills, we encourage them to participate in the collective management of these protected areas, especially Queen Elizabeth National Park and Bwind Impenetrable Forest National Park. We also integrate ecotourism, especially when we empower these local communities with skills and knowledge in the sector of tourism so they can fully participate and earn from ecotourism activities. As defined by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, ecotourism contributes for human welfare and the protected area welfare. Therefore, these local communities are participating in ecotourism activities, especially coffee tourism. We have community walks, we have nature walks, we have traditional music, dance and drama, and they are involved and they are earning a living. We have had 3 groups of reformed poachers, and this has been a great achievement because they are the ones helping us even to track other people who might be attempted to carry out activities that are against the environment and the protected areas of Queen and Bwind Impenetrable Forest. So we have found out that this model is also replicable in that the formation of Tree Academy groups and clubs is a perpetual activity, and members are attracted to form their own groups, having realized the benefits the existing members are getting from these groups and by teaming up to participate in real conservation and livelihood projects. We have also tried to restore the degenerating habitats of Queen Elizabeth Park, especially for climbing runs, by planting Ficus sycomorus trees, also known as fig trees, and the activity is ongoing. So we anticipate that by planting these trees, we shall attract climbing runs nearer compared to currently where the tourists come and move far distances to have a look at these magnificent cats. So if their habitats are restored in the nearby places, it means the tourists will be finding these climbing runs nearer, and it will also contribute for ecotourism because the surrounding communities will participate in these projects, especially making handcraft materials and selling their own local products to these tourists and earn a living. So I call upon everyone to support our activities and our initiatives because it will have a greater and a long-term impact to conserve the environment and contribute for community welfare. I thank you very much, and I remain Ivan Mushana, Executive Director of Tree Uganda Academy. Thank you.